Hey guys, this is Chelsea and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've done a video and it's been a really long time since I've done a plan with me, so I'm so excited to be here to film for you guys today. And I'm going to be doing a weekly spread in my vertical recollections planner. I just got this like this past weekend and it's so cute. It's got like ice cream cones. I love the colors on the inside, and I think that Recollections did a really good job with their formatting for their new vertical weekly planners. So instead of getting an Erin Condren for this year and for next year, I think I'm just gonna use this. So the kit that I'm gonna be using is a new design to our shop. We released it last month, and this is the Luna Pool Day collection. So here are the full boxes, and anything with our character Luna on it you can get in 2 skin tones. You can either get the light skin tone, which is what I have here, but we also have it in a dark skin tone, and I'll show you what some of that looks like in just a minute. But here's the full boxes. So all of this is hand drawn by yours truly, and I love the colors. I'm so proud of this kit and I'm really excited to be using it today. So here's the checklists and the date cover sheet. So with our newer formatted kits, you can get them a la carte if you want just individual sheets, or you can get all of the sheets for a discounted price. And here's the washi with the half boxes. I love this washi. It took forever, but I love it. So I wanted to quickly show you that this collection has lots of other items that you can pick up. Like we've got die cuts that match with the kit. And then we also have like a little deco sheet of stickers. And then the weekly kit is also available in our Pocket Traveler's Notebook sticker insert and our B6 Traveler's Notebook sticker insert. So these will fit in those planners, but they're also a really great option as a mini kit for any other type of planner. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna be planning, I guess sort of back planning or memory planning last week, which is the first week in this planner. I'm so excited. And I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and lay down all of the stickers from the kit, so it'll kind of be like a no white space spread, but there will be a little bit of white space, and then I'll go back and add in everything that happened. So I'm gonna start with the date covers. So I did want to mention that the stickers I'm using are printed on our premium matte paper, which looks a lot better in my opinion. The print quality is just better and the colors are brighter. Everything looks crisper, but also the paper is more dense or something. I don't know how to describe it. Like you can't really see the print underneath, so I love it because I don't have to go in and like white out all the dates. I can just put my sticker on top. Alright, so for most of our kits we have kind of like a 4 color scheme going on, so it works out really great because you have enough of like all the functional stickers to do color blocking for each day. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll do all the same colors for each day. So I'm leaving all the boxes where I'm putting today blank, and I'll fill those up with like half boxes like these, and then some of these, and any other stickers from my stash. Okay, and then up at the top, I could leave those because those colors go pretty well, but let's see. I think I'll go ahead and use these. And then I usually take my weekend banner and I put that across the top. I just use the K in the middle and it lines up just fine. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the sidebar. Ooh, I don't know what that is right there. And I usually save like the quote box for the sidebar, but I am gonna put down a little header first. I'm gonna put down a couple of trackers. And I'm gonna use this weekly box. This is really good for like writing down your meals for the week. I think I might use this one little 3-heart box. Maybe just for random things that I need to remember. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the washi. So I usually use these 3 little strips just to cover up this side. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start filling things in. On Monday, I went to the post office. I don't know if I still have any left. Ooh, I do. So I have these cute little stickers from Banana Doodle Shop. So I'll use that over here, but I kind of need to put some other things down so it's not so bare. Actually, you know what? I don't have to write it because there's some on here that's just the lettering. That's really cool. So I'll just stick that on there. Ta-da! And I'm gonna grab one of these little flags from Haley's Handmade Co. So on Wednesday, I wanted to watch a live video in Planners Gone Wild. So I'm just gonna use this. I don't know, I kind of want this to be separate. And then I'm gonna use one of these little TV stickers from Lovely Planner Nerd. Okay, sorry, my camera just cut out, but I just went ahead and put in that I watched The Handmaid's Tale. That episode was so overwhelming. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk about it, but it was really good. I don't know if it was like the season finale or what, but it was intense. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to Thursday. Foodle doodles. Okay, I meant to put food doodles and then I wrote foodle, so we're just gonna call it foodle doodles. Okay, well, not much else happened on Thursday, so I'm gonna grab another TV sticker from Lovely Planner Nerd because I watched America's Got Talent. Okay, so Friday was a shopping day with my mom and my sister, so I'm gonna grab one of these shopping stickers from our shop. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab one of these quarter boxes because Friday was the sign-ups for Wild 30. So if you're a member of Planners Gone Wild and you've signed up for Wild 30 class, let me know what you signed up for. I signed up for Cindy's lettering class and I'm so excited. I totally need some help. So I'm really looking forward to this class. So Saturday was kind of like a cleaning day. I'm gonna use one of these laundry doodle stickers from our shop, which actually, as of filming this, we haven't yet released these. But they should be released this month on the 13th. Ooh, I like that. And the colors actually match really well with this kit. Okay, I can't find my little grocery bag stickers, so I'm just gonna use one of these little shopping bags. So that's pretty much everything. I'm just gonna do the sidebar really quickly. I didn't track anything last week, but if I was going to track, I would track my 10-minute cleanup. So I have this thing that I've been doing for a couple months. What I do is, like, right before I get ready for bed, I do like a 10-minute cleanup around the house where I pick up like trash, dishes, whatever, cups, you know, just random things that are laying around the house, and doing this really helps me. And then I also would probably track my steps, and I usually try to get at least 8,000 steps, which isn't a whole lot, but I'm happy if I get somewhere around there. And then I would write in my meals. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay. That looks really bad, but whatever. And then down here, I don't know. I think I'll just leave that. I think I'll just leave this blank. I don't really feel like I need to fill that out. Okay. All right, guys. So that is my completed spread. I hope you can see the whole thing. I love this kit. These colors are my favorite. It's so cute and bright and fun, but also really girly. Perfect for summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Stay tuned. I have at least one more video planned for later on this month, and it's going to be a really, really good one. But I hope to even do more than that. We'll see. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.